Ever felt the struggle of scouring the internet for easy and effective keto recipes? Well, worry no more. This is where the hunt ends. Today, we're on a culinary journey, a journey into the world of ketogenic diet. We're going to unravel some of the best and easiest keto recipes that are not only delicious, but also instrumental in weight loss. First up on our list is a classic, the avocado and bacon salad. Who doesn't love a good salad? Especially when it involves creamy avocados and crispy bacon. Start by chopping 2 ripe avocados and frying 4 slices of bacon till they're crispy. Once done, mix them with 2 cups of spinach and a drizzle of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Voila! You have a sumptuous keto-friendly salad ready in minutes. Next, we have the keto-friendly chicken stir-fry. Begin by marinating chicken breast in a mixture of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Then, stir-fry the chicken in a wok with a splash of olive oil. Add a colorful array of bell peppers and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is not only pleasing to the eye, but also packed with the right nutrients. Our third recipe is a delight for seafood lovers, the shrimp and asparagus sauté. Start by sautéing asparagus in a pan with butter till they're tender. Then, add in shrimps and cook until they're pink. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a simple yet elegant dish that can be your go-to dinner option. Last but certainly not least, we have the keto-friendly egg muffins. Beat 6 eggs with a splash of cream. Add in a mix of your favorite vegetables and a generous helping of cheese. Pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake until golden. These little delights are perfect for a quick breakfast or a snack on the go. So what have we learned today? Keto recipes don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the right ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can whip up delicious and healthy meals in no time. Remember, the avocado and bacon salad is your best bet for a quick and nutritious lunch. The chicken stir-fry is a vibrant and flavorful dinner option. The shrimp and asparagus sauté is a perfect blend of simplicity and elegance. And the egg muffins, they're your ticket to a hassle-free and delicious breakfast. So why wait? Take the plunge into the world of keto. Happy cooking!